YouTube, West Point, Lake Willy here. We're finna hit the lake on the yak in a place might have a few alligators. Let's see what happens. Got some snacks and how to get $5 for parking. Well, let's go. I made it to my destination. I got a little later start than I had hoped. It's a little cooler. It's been a little cooler lately, but just want to kind of give you an idea of what we're fixing to do. Yeah, this is gonna be fun, and I know eventually this area is gonna hold some pretty good fish. I'm gonna be on my P's and Q's because hey, I'll show you. Yep, they may be present. And yes, I'm that far south. So I don't want to take the fun out of the fishing, so I'm trying to hurry up, but launch free required. So let's get that paid and then hurry up and get in the water, because like I said, running out of time and I don't want to be out here after dark. Envelope, you put your money in, drop it in the slot, pop out the day that you were up here, set it on your dash. I'll be right back with you. All right, so I'm gonna try to put a picture up, I don't know, maybe somewhere right in here to show you where my goal is. I got to a certain place, a tree was down, and I got a picture of it. The reason I got a picture of it was because there's a massive alligator on the backside. I really want to get to that point. I believe this creek is really gonna hold some fish now that it's cooled down a little bit. I don't have my Garmin with me, so I don't know what the water temperature is. But I'm gonna go ahead and put a weightless worm on. I'm probably gonna go with a June bug to start off with. The water's a little murky, it'll be a little darker, and just maybe around maybe this dock or something like that, I can maybe even pull one up real quick. But guys, I hope the camera keeps running. If it don't, then it'll be a short video. If it does, I hope I catch everything on it. I'm gonna try to keep an eye on it. Let me paddle back a little. I'm getting close to the side. I'm hoping to give you a video, but I'm here to have fun fishing. So I want the video there, but that's not my primary goal. So I'm hoping it gives you a good view of what I'm doing. But if not, just know that I'm really out here just trying to have a good time. So hang in there and let's see what we can do. 3 spinning rods. I got one that I'm gonna tie hard baits on. I got one for wacky rig, and I got one for weightless. I've been throwing a lot more soft plastics lately, and they're just something I'm very comfortable with, so that's gonna probably be primarily what I throw. I'm gonna get my kayak in. I got my monster bag. I overkilled it. I shouldn't have brought that today, but I was in a hurry and I just kind of grabbed everything that has a lot of my plastics. It has all of my hard baits, just about, top water, you name it, that's what's in it. This launch right here is really shallow in this area. I don't know how other boats get in here other than like thin boats like this, but I brought my flashlight just in case, and my drinks I'm gonna put in my basket. And let's launch this puppy. The water's really nasty right here. I really don't want it on my feet, but I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to do this without getting wet and without really oh wow, this might just work. This is a pretty stable kayak. However, I do not want to stand up on it if I don't have to. There we go. And I launched dry. Yes, that is awesome. I am maxing this thing out, being as heavy as I am, and I'm hoping some of the reptiles, when I say reptiles, I'm saying, and y'all, I'm wearing a life jacket, and I'm trying to be extremely safe here. Oh, yeah. Yep. That is the one. I think these are the ones that's going to get it done for me today. All right. As much as I want to go ahead and get down to my spots in the creek, this looks so juicy around here that I can't help but to throw in this area just a little bit. And I'm actually targeting, I'm using bass lures and I'm targeting bass, but I really would like to get a bowfin or a mudfish, or you know, I'm really kind of looking for something along that line, just something a little different maybe. I didn't bring any small gear today because I didn't know what I was really going to be doing, but I really hope we can get one on the hook. We're going to throw up at that point, and then I'm going to cast underneath there, and then we're going to head down the creek. Alright, at least that one made me look pretty good. I was able to get that really, oh yeah, that's it. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, it's a nice one. Right up under that dot, like I thought. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Look at there, look at there. Nice, right where I thought he would be. Right where I thought he would be. Let me give myself some slack. Alright. Let's get him in the boat. Not a massive one, but a nice one. Oh, easy, 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 buddy, easy. All right. He was fighting good enough that he actually got me over here on the dock. I knew there was going to be one there. Oh, yeah. Look at there. Nice, probably pound and a half. Nice start, a nice start. Right up the dock like I thought. I was able to skip it underneath there really good. Let's get a picture. Very nice. That makes me feel really have a lot of promise about going up there. Alright. I can't really show you getting him in the water, but there he goes. Whoo, yes! Yes, already! Yes! Ah, that was awesome. Guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm a scavenger, and that looks promising, but that's a glow-in-the-dark stick on a fishing line tied to that limb. What? Do you see that? I think someone is or at one time was catfishing, because that line's been there for a minute because it's discolored. But let's see. Let's investigate. Yeah, that's definitely tied there. That's definitely a cord. I don't want to get too close because I got rods sticking up in the back, but we're going to look at this. So they put a glow-in-the-dark stick on their line so they could see it. I don't want to get that in there too close, but I do want to touch this. Slow down. Exactly what I thought. Let me back up before I get in here for real. See if I can get back and show y'all. That's a great idea, actually. It's a good strong limb with flexibility. See that? I don't know if you can see it, but with flexibility, it'd be bouncing. That light will be going. And basically what they've done here, this is heavy braid. It's probably, I'd say 80 plus. Got a circle hook. It's not rusted out yet, so it's more recent. And a piece of lead. And you can come over here, bait this up with a piece of, cut bait or something like that, and we'll just drop it in the water. And then the tree will do all the fighting for you. I would be shocked if they wasn't more out here. There's a lot of little ones hitting the water. I just don't know what they are. Nope, he didn't let go. There he is. I knew there was one over there. Oh yeah, here we go. Come on up here, baby. Come on. There we go. There we go. That's it. I knew I seen one over there feeding. And there he was. Ooh. Splashing it. And he choked it. But the good news is, oh man, I got him bleeding a little bit. Believe it or not, I got a tool in here, I hope. It's gonna do the trick. Hold on, big guy. That's it. This is though. Oh, largemouth. Just don't swallow again. There we go. Oh, almost. There it is. And there it goes. Not quite a. So what's this? What they call it? A quarter pounder with cheese? I don't want to leave him out too long, but there he goes. He had a little blood on him, but he made it. Temperatures dropped quite a bit. It's actually pretty cold out here. So, considering where we're at, actually it's only 61, but it feels much colder when you have on thin clothes and stuff like that and you're next to this water, or at least I feel like it does. But anyway, this is my fishing trip today. I had fun. I enjoyed videoing, which is something I hadn't been enjoying for a while. But it's West Point Lake Willy. Keep your hooks wet and have fun. We'll see you next time.